Hello and welcome to today's deep dive into the fascinating world of Ayurvedic sleep science. I'm Nirja and I'm excited to share with you how this ancient wisdom can transform your sleep quality and overall well-being. As a practitioner passionate about holistic health, I have seen firsthand how understanding our unique body constitution or Prakruti can revolutionize our relationship with sleep. Let's begin by understanding what makes Ayurveda such a powerful approach to sleep. This ancient science of health and wellness isn't just about treating symptoms, it is about understanding the complete harmony of body, mind, and spirit. When we talk about sleep in Ayurveda, we are not just discussing the hours you spend in bed. We are exploring a fundamental pillar of your overall health that affects everything from your physical energy to your emotional resilience. So now you might be wondering what makes Ayurveda's approach to sleep so unique? The answer lies in its deeply personalized nature. You see, Ayurveda recognizes that each of us has a unique constitution or Prakruti. And this isn't just about whether you are a light or heavy sleeper, it's about understanding the fundamental functional intelligences, the doshas that govern your entire being. Let's talk about these doshas. We have three main doshas, Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. Think of them as your body's natural intelligence system. Each of us has a unique combination of these doshas, and understanding yours can be the key to unlocking better sleep, amongst other things. Let me break this down in a way that might resonate with your own experiences. First, let's explore Vata, which is made up of elements of space and air and connected with the principles of movement and change. If you are someone who finds their mind racing at bedtime, or you wake up multiple times during the night, you might have a strong Vata influence, whether in your Prakruti or in your imbalance. It's like having a wind that just won't settle down. I often tell my Vata dominant clients that their minds are like butterflies, beautiful and active, but needing gentle guidance to rest. When Vata is imbalanced, you might experience where your thoughts are going round and round, making it impossible to settle into sleep. You might find yourself getting up frequently during the night or experiencing that frustrating phenomenon of feeling tired but unable to actually fall asleep. Does this sound familiar to anyone who spent hours tossing and turning? Then we have Pitta, the intelligence of fire element. Are you that person who finds it hard to go to sleep or kicks off the covers because you're too hot or find yourself problem solving at 2 a.m.? That's classic Pitta behavior. It's like having an internal heater that's working overtime when it should be cooling down. Pitta types often struggle with suddenly remembering all tasks that they need to complete just when they should be winding down. When Pitta is out of balance, sleep becomes a battlefield of intense thoughts and physical discomfort. You might find yourself waking up during the night feeling too warm, or your mind might be busy analyzing tomorrow's challenges instead of resting. I have had clients tell me that they feel like their brain is a computer that just won't shut down, constantly processing, analyzing, and planning. And finally, there is Kapha, the dosha of water and earth elements. Kapha types usually love their sleep, sometimes a little too much. If you hit the snooze button 5 times every morning and still feel groggy, you might have something strong Kapha tendencies. While Kapha types generally have no trouble falling asleep, they might struggle with that heavy, sluggish feeling that makes getting out of the bed feel like an Olympic sport. Now, here's where it gets really interesting and practical. Ayurveda doesn't just help us identify these patterns, it provides specific, actionable solutions for each dosha type. Let me share some strategies that you can start implementing right today or tonight. For my Vata imbalance friends or Vata friends out there, consistency is your best friend. Think of your evening routine as an anchor in your day. A warm oil massage before bed, what we call as abhyanga, can work wonders. It's like giving your nervous system a gentle, loving hug. Use warm, grounding oils like black seed sesame oil and take time to massage your whole body or at least feet, hands and scalp. Create a cozy, warm environment in your bedroom. Think soft, warm lighting and comfortable, heavy blankets. I also recommend regular night routine for Vata types. In the hour before bed, engage in calming activities like gentle stretching or meditation or sipping on warm milk with a pinch of nutmeg. Or calming herbs like chamomile can help settle that restless Vata energy. Think of it as slowly bringing a floating leaf back to earth. For those with strong Pitta body type or imbalance, cooling down is the key. If you find yourself burning the midnight oil, try this. Create a cooling environment in your bedroom. Keep the temperature slightly cool. Use light, breathable bedding and try some cooling and calming breathing exercises. One of my favorite recommendation is the Brahmari pranayam or breathing technique, which has a naturally calming effect on the body. For Pitta types, I suggest the mental download practice. Keep a journal by your bed and spend 10 minutes before sleep writing down any thoughts, tasks, or concerns. This helps prevent that middle of the night problem solving session. Cooling herbs like peppermint or rose or jasmine oil can be wonderfully soothing, and a nighttime meditation can help calm down that fiery Pitta energy. And for my Kapha friends who might be struggling with oversleeping, we need to bring in some stimulating energy. Start your morning with invigorating movements, even if it means a brief but brisk morning walk. It can make a huge difference. Keep your bedroom fresh and airy and try using energizing essential oils like eucalyptus or citrus. For Kapha types, I recommend setting your alarm for the same time each morning and immediately engaging in some form of movement or breathing exercise. This helps break through that morning heaviness and sets a positive tone for the day. Here's something fascinating that applies to everyone. Our sleep quality is deeply connected to our daily routines. In Ayurveda, we call this dincharya, the science of daily living. It's not just about what you do right before bed. It's about the rhythm that you maintain throughout your day. Modern science is increasingly validating these Ayurvedic principles. Studies have shown that consistent bedtime routines, temperature regulation, and mindful practices significantly impact sleep quality. What's remarkable is that Ayurveda understood these connections thousands of years ago. Let me share some universal tips that work for all doshas. First, try to align your sleep schedule with nature's rhythms. Going to bed before 10 p.m. and waking up before sunrise. That can dramatically improve your sleep quality. This isn't just tradition. It aligns with our natural circadian rhythms. Second, create your sleep sanctuary. Your bedroom should be a space dedicated to rest and relaxation. Remove electronic devices, keep the space clean and clutter-free, and use natural calming colors and textures. Number 3, pay attention to your digestion. In Ayurveda, we say that poor digestion can lead to poor sleep. Try to eat your last meal at least 2 to 3 hours before bedtime and make it light and easily digestible. And at the end, I want to emphasize that improving your sleep is a journey, not a destination. Start small, perhaps with just one practice that resonates with your dosha type. Notice how your body responds. Listen to its whisper before they become shouts. The beauty of Ayurveda lies in its personalized approach. What works for your friend may not work for you, and that's perfectly okay. Your path to better sleep is as unique as you are. Take these principles as a guide, but always trust your body's wisdom. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of Ayurvedic sleep wisdom. Remember, every night is a new opportunity to nurture yourself with restful, rejuvenating sleep. So sweet dreams, and may you find the balance that leads to your best rest yet.